everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today we will cooking fried rice. From Indonesia we have some eggs, and then we have fish, and then we have rice. So we will make fried rice. Have you been try fried rice before? So stay tuned. So you can follow the recipe, and then the ingredients, all we use is natural ingredients, so we have healthy body and healthy mind when we eat healthy food. So everybody should eat healthy food for our healthy body. Wash this fish. Wash this fish. And then we put the fish into the apa bahasa Inggris bro? Into the what? And also the eggs, into chili. Stir well. Jangan salah banyak-banyaknya. Sebenarnya tidak sehat makanan tadi tuh. Makanan kita tadi tuh. Aku baca CL 1429. Makanan itu? Tahu. And we put some rice. Well, stir well, guys. Stir well. Stir well. Ketchup. Harus pakai tripod ini. Emang pakai kecap? So delicious, guys. This is common Asian people cook like this in Thailand, Indonesia, India. The fire is little small and still well. Nasi. No.
Mau sini nggak salah.
Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Don't forget for like, subscribe, and follow this channel.